Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to use the S26 Ultra, the new updated screen record feature. So of course they have improved the screen record, and one of the cool things I like is that this new screen record allows for both full and partial screen recording. Alright, so that's one of the new additions to the S26 Ultra. Alright, so swipe down from the right, you're going to swipe down again to see your toggles here. Now, of course, the screen record is this one that shows a camera and it says screen record. So go ahead and tap. Now, of course, this is the new screen recording menu. All right, and check it out, guys. You have the option here. Now, normally you would have full screen. Now you can select partial. And of course, I'm going to show you the partial today. Everybody's used to the full screen. And you can select, do you want to record audio? By default, it's set to no. You can set it to media. And of course, media would be anything playing on device, or you can set it to media and mic. All right. So if you want, you can set it to no audio. All right. You can also show tap and touches. So for example, I can tap here. And if you want, you can say record media and mic, or just media. All right. So I'm going to use media and mic, and we're going to hit start recording. Now, right away, you can go ahead and move around, so you can choose your window. So say for example, I want only to do a section of the screen, like for example on a website. If I wanted to just do a section, I can actually move this around to the size that I'd want. All right, so there you go. So it will show you here, and I can go ahead and move. So by pressing this one here, I can move. So let's say I want to record this section with the step count on the Alt app here, or catch that section. All I gotta do now is hit record. This could be a YouTube video, or it could be a video I'm playing on screen, but I don't want to get the surrounding stuff. So of course I can adjust it, and I can hit record, and here it goes. It does its thing, and there you go. It starts recording. Notice it blurs the area slightly. I can tap. You'll notice the taps. Sorry about that. I can even open apps, but you get the idea. All right, so I can actually tap. That's in the area here. So if something is playing, I can actually allow it to play, and it will show up and work fine. All right, so I can hit stop, and this is just a quick demonstration. It says record save. All right, there you go. So if I go here, you can actually see it here. There you go. So it only has this section here. You can see the clip, and you can see quickly just now that video. It was able to capture that video. So anything that's playing, so normally you'd point this at a video or whatever it is, and you can record that video specifically on screen, or maybe a section of the screen. You get the idea, depending on what you're trying to show, and everything would show up fine. All right, so you get the idea. You can share this, you can download it, you can do whatever you want. And that's how you do a partial screen record on the S26 Ultra. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.